Never seen it rain much out here. Smell your own sweat in the evening. Wash up